portions unit is lesson 2. We're talking about rates, and specifically unit rates. The homework that goes with this is page 4 to 6, and you all should be in page 4 in your note packet. All right, now, you can read this, okay? But yesterday we talked about ratios, and ratios, you reduce them and they do not have a unit written on them. Rates are basically the same thing as ratios, except there will be a unit, like miles per hour, ounces per pound, or that's a dumb one, cost per ounce, okay? That is the unit rate, miles per hour. And when the denominator is 1, it's called a unit rate. So if you're going 100 miles in 2 hours, that reduces to 50 miles per hour. All right, Gracie practices the flute for 2/3 of an hour each day. Write this unit rate as a complex fraction. Well, she does 2/3 of an hour per 1 day. That's a complex fraction. 2/3 of an hour per 1 day. A suggested planting rate for wildflower seeds is 1/2 pound per acre. What is the unit rate in pounds per acre? Now, when it tells you this, pounds per acre, the one that's listed first goes on top. So, 1/2 pound per 1/8 acre. Now, we need to simplify that. So, isn't this dividing? It's 1/2 divided by 1/8. You can either use a calculator or keep, switch, flip, which will give you 4 pounds per acre. Pounds per acre. Same exact rate. This is a rate, that's a unit rate per 1 acre. Angelo read 1.5 pages in 3 minutes. Find his reading speed in pages per hour. So, 1.5 pages per. I can't do 3 minutes because they're saying pages per hour. So I need to convert 3 minutes into an hour. What was in 3 minutes? 3/60 of an hour. So you can divide that 1.5 divided by 3/60, and you get 30 pages per hour. Now, the other way you could do that, 3 times 20 gives you 60. So you could just multiply this by 20 and you would get 30 pages an hour. Eva pays $30 every 6 months to host her website. So, how much does Eva pay every month? $30 for 6 months is $5 per month. And once you know she pays $5 per month, how much does she pay for 9 months? 5 times 9, $45 for 9 months. And once you find the unit rate, you can use it for everything else. All right, we're going to skip that one. Okay, unit price. Find the unit price if it costs $2 for 8 juice boxes. First of all, let me tell you about unit price. The money is always going to go on top because it's going to be cost per pound, cost per ounce, cost per box. So it's $2 for 8 boxes. If you divide 2 by 8, you are going to get 50 cents per box. So that's your unit rate, 50 cents per box. That's how much those juice boxes cost. Now, this is super important. The prices of 3 different bags of dog food are given in the table, which has the lowest price per pound. So, here's our 3 different types of dog food. I'm going to call this brand A, brand B, brand C. So brand A is going to be $49 for 40 pounds. And remember, the money always goes on top. Cost per pound. If you divide that, you will get $1.23. Use your calculator. It's $1.23 per pound. That's brand A. Brand B is $23.44 for 20 pounds. Divide that, you get $1.17 per pound. and brand C costs $9.88 for what? 8 pounds. Divide that. 9.88 divided by 8 is $1.24 per pound. Now, there's multiple ways I could say this, but which one is the better buy? It would be brand B, because it is the cheapest per pound. Best buy or